Hi guys, Barry here from BackPain 360. A little clinical pearl today, and that is to replace your chair with one of these, a gymball. The reason being is when we're sitting, at our desks or if we're working on a project, we tend to be seated onto a chair which has 4 points of contact, very stable, and our muscles become weak, they become lazy, they become fixed in a particular pattern. If you replace your chair with one of these, a gymball, you constantly have these little micro movements which are really effective in either creating extra strength in the spine, but also just stimulating those fibers within the spine so they don't become that kind of lazy, kind of sedentary muscle. Now, what I find is if I'm on a gymball and I've replaced my chair with it, I like to play around a little bit. So I might elevate a leg and see how my body reacts. I might find that I'm kind of tipping one way to the other. So I try and engage that core kind of upright, get my spine nice and tall, and then I'll hold the leg elevated in that pattern for maybe 6 to 10 seconds. I'll then change over to the other leg and exactly the same. See if I'm weak one side more than the other. See if I want to kind of tip over a little bit more. But once again, I'm trying to create that stability and then just hold. And I can feel all those muscles kind of twitching and those fibers just kind of getting a little bit more excited as they get a little bit more proprioception, that kind of feedback from the ball to the brain, kind of telling me where my body is in space. I can also play around with it. I can have an object in my hand. This is just a dumbbell, but you could have a bottle of water, anything that you want to hold. And as you elevate a leg, try and kind of move the object around in different positions, whether you're kind of pressing, whether you're putting your kind of center of gravity off to the side just by rotating, even pressing above will change how your muscles react. So once again, you're exciting those fibers just in different planes of motion. It's a really kind of small and easy way to excite those muscles in your spine, and it's something if you're specifically at a desk on a day-to-day basis, you can excite those tissues and probably get the most from your spine rather than just sitting there in that chair on a 4-point kind of stable point, which is going to, in the long run, affect those hip flexors and tighten your low back. Anyway, it's just a little clinical pearl. Give it a go if you have a chance. These are great to have, worth investing in, and I hope it works out for you. Anyway, any feedback would be appreciated, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one.